Well, that is how you make a non-working Tesla coil. You put some crap together like that and you make it look neat, but it don't work. Must be a hoax. Well, dang, I don't know how to tell if this sucker's working. Did you push the button, Rodney? Yes, I pushed the button. What would you ask me something like that for? It's recording, bro. Take a look right there. Oh, well, hot damn. All right. Thanks, everybody. We're going to get started right now on this thing here. Hey, Rodney, you don't got to shout, bro. They can hear you just fine. Oh, sorry. My name is Rodney Rednick, and today we're going to do a DIY project, and that DIY project is going to be called a Tesla coil. Now, what the Tesla coil does is it just does stuff, and we're going to make one. So, if you want to follow along, there's going to be a few things you'll need. First, you're going to need a piece of pipe. Now, this ain't something you're smoking out of. This is like stuff turds come through when you're flushing, you know, that's the wrong kind of pipe. You're gonna need a switch, something similar to that clicks. Click, 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 click. It clicks, trust me. We got this here thing we're gonna do something with. We got this bundle of wire we just ripped right out of a TV. I mean, I was just like, felt like straight up Grand Theft Auto, man. I was just like, give me some of that wire, boy, and I grabbed that wire. All right, so we got that. We're gonna need a little sphere, like a little spaceman helmet. Gonna need this here glue gun. Gonna need a stick of glue to go with it too. Where's the dang, right there. Okay, there's stick of glue. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna just oh wait. And we need some tinfoil hat making materials just in case the aliens are coming. So let's get this sucker started. So step one, we're just gonna take this here piece of wire and we're gonna put a piece of tape on it. Just like that right there. That right there looks stinking good. That looks as good as turkey dinner on Thanksgiving, man, I tell you what. Well, that wire is not as good as I was hoping it would be. Well, it looks like we're gonna need to do some micro soldering. So I'm gonna get right. How do you make the microscope work? Push the microscope. Where's the microscope? Sucker. You mean? God dang it. This is not a fast process. Well, hot dang, we are done. I will tell you what, that was one great big pile of work. That was no screwing around, and this is beautiful. You can see that there is not a single flaw anywhere. So now we're gonna move on to phase two, which is hooking these little components up to this here piece of plastic, solder some stuff up, and just make it work. Hot dang, what in the hell, god dang it. It's starting to split. Dirty son of a gun. Well, that sure as hell didn't come out like I wanted to. Hot dang. Well, god dang it, we're gonna get this sucker working. throwing some sparks. That wasn't supposed to go on until I got that sucker down there. God dang it! Now how am I supposed to get my hands in there and solder them darn wires up? Son of a gun. Sweet dang Mother of Mary. This just ain't cool. Someone should have warned me. God dang it. God dang dolly dang it. God. Well, we's just gonna have to get here right dang creative. Figure this there thing out. We'll just rip that sucker right back off and we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna get her done. God, that smoke is terrible. Someone should get a ventilator or something in here. It's gonna give me skin cancer or something. Sucker. Golly, god dang. Goodness, man, that right there, that sucks. I don't know, god dang, what someone invent something like this for. That type of soldering is just redonkulous. Totally. Is that crap even good? Hot damn, I ain't touching that garbage. That sucker, I think, is working. That right there is the beauty inside of a Tesla coil. You can see right up its little hole there. Look at that. Yeehaw. It's transparent. It's like our government, totally transparent. Everything they do. Well, this sun gun ain't gonna work. This is damn near retarded. I am just getting irritated at this thing that can't get dang darned in there into nothing. Hot dang. I think we got that sucker wired up right there. Dang, sucking wired up good. Let's see if we get some arcs. Alright, got that there sucker plugged in. And we're gonna turn this here sucker on and see what happens. Just don't know. Let's get a light bulb. Well, god dang it. Guess we better just finish it. Hot dang. Ah, you can't see nothing. Look at that sucker. That right there is a Tesla coil. Alright. Alright indeed. Let's hook this guy right back up now. And turn it on. Well, that is how you make a non-working Tesla coil. You put some crap together like that and you make it look neat. But it don't work. Must be a hoax. Well, moving on to the next repair. Thanks for watching. Alright, I was just kidding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the battery and make sure that done sun guns are good. Got two of them here. Let's check the voltage on them. Cause you just don't know if this sucker might be dead, and that ain't gonna be why we got no sparks coming. Cause I know I'm not retarded, and I know I did it good. 9.3. 8.2. Let's try the 9.3. Damn done getting nothing. I got dang done right now sneaky suspicion. And I got this dumb sun gun hooked up wrong. I got my 9 volts on the one pole of the MOSFET, but I ain't got nothing else anywhere else. I must got something fang-dangled up in there and it ain't working. So we're just gonna put this guy on hold. This is a good first time. A good one time through, and we didn't learn nothing, but we had some fun, and Yeah, we'll try this next episode. We'll see if we can take this through airport security. Yeah. All right, well, maybe we'll revisit this, but maybe not. Thanks for watching.